Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be racing IMSA week number 2. We are at Fuji, and this is going to be a wet race. I don't know how it's going to go because in the qualifying session, it seemed like it was drying out, so maybe we'll be changing tires mid-race. I'm not exactly sure, but something that I would love for you to do. We are on the hunt to try and get to 3K I rating, hopefully by the end of the season. We have a lot of work to do, a lot of practice to do as well. To really get to 3K I rating. I know that I just need to get better skill as well to get up to that range. So if you see any mistakes in my driving, feel free to just, point them out in the comments. Whatever that may be. Sure, traction control is set. You can go green at any time, so I'm a little nervous. I'm not sure if you can pass anyone before the finish line, though. In this, actually. Not 100% sure. I really hope... Okay. Cool. Here we go. Start of the race. This could get quite interesting. It already seems wetter than it did during the qualifying. I have no idea how I qualified second. I have a feeling I'm going to be getting passed by quite a few people. But we'll see how it goes. I don't really feel like I had an amazing qualifying time, so the fact that I'm even ahead of these guys is kind of crazy to me. The track already feels quite a bit wetter than it did during the practice sessions, so the guy in front of me had a lot faster lap time than I did. Be careful out of that turn, it's a little bit slippery. Don't want to cause any wrecks, we have a lot of racing to do. A lot of time left. Ooh, Ferrari's spinning, I'm spinning, this is a little bit messy. Oh no, I hit the curb. Gotta be careful here. I wrecked during qualifying, doing that exact same thing. A little bit of a mistake there, not bad. Just gonna push him. Maybe. Okay, never mind. I can't even catch up to him. A large gap behind the guy behind me. Ooh. I'm expecting the guy in first. He does what he did in qualifying. He should be taking off. Not really used to rain racing. But it's very odd. On this track, I feel like you almost have more grip on the racing line. Is what I've noticed. It's, I don't really know what's going on, but, it's... Every track's going to be a little bit different, I feel like. Somebody's already mad. I'm going to try a different line here. Oh, also a different line here as well. I think I made the porch nervous. Good race so far. Got a long, long, long race ahead of us, though. Holy, this guy's braking very early. Can actually go over the curb in that turn. Be okay. We get a lot of grip here, just touching that little, I don't know what that is. It's like a little mesh thing. You get a lot of grip through it for some reason. Clean battle from me and this guy. Holy. I mean, I don't know if that was intentional or not, but it kind of looked like it. I don't really know what that was. I swear that guy swerved to the left, but, I need for windshield wipers right now. And to focus on turning the fastest laps. Just a little bit of spinach there. The leader's kind of taking off at the current moment. I'm deep. Oh, I'm so deep. They all follow me. Taking everyone on a bit of a ride a little deep there. Not a bad lap for me. Put a little bit of space in between us, but he's going to get the draft. Guy in first is just going to take off. I just don't have a chance. I think in qualifying he turned about an 8/10 faster lap time than I did in qualifying, so he's just got more pace than I do. There's more grip coming in. Be very careful hitting that curb on the outside. It will grab you and take you to the outside. A lot of spin there again. When you start taking that turn in third. I'm gonna hold the inside here. It's kind of parking it on the apex. Don't know what the best line is through that. I feel like you could go outside, but with this guy right behind me, I don't know if I could take that outside and just get a bigger run down the straight, but either way. Okay, okay. Okay. Think we're getting aggressive here. This little battle here. We're definitely bringing a lot of people back into this. Just keep defending. Oh, this is good racing. Just a full battle there the entire time. He's probably going to send it here. Locked in, forgot to start talking. I've just been so locked in on this battle. I'd love to know what Jake is doing to beat us so badly. No puddle there anymore. Track is definitely drying out, getting a little more grip, also getting more heat into the tires. I think I'm starting to see a dry line kind of develop as well. Not the best exit for me there. I'm expecting to see another send here. The question is are we going to be able to make it to dry tires or not? The spray behind me is definitely a lot less than it was. We should have traffic coming in. I would have loved to have seen traffic while the track is still wet though. Holy, fourth gear may have been the move the entire time through there. Able to get on gas a lot faster through there that time. Gotta get this turn right. I haven't been able to get this turn right the entire time. Still not getting it right. Oh god, they were dodging each other back there. Dry line coming through this corner. Almost got a second on this guy, however, he's going to catch up with the draft. I did not do enough practice to practice really a dry line on this track, so I've only done wet laps. We do have traffic coming in. Should have stayed on brakes a little longer. Not bad. That was a little sketchy that entire time. I haven't been focused, but this race, or I haven't been talking, this race has been so intense so far. Oh, and we are not even halfway through. Holy crap, that guy's flying. Can go over the curb here. That guy gained a lot of time. Those cars are so fast in the straight. Got on gas a little too early there. Looks like I was the only one to get hurt out of that situation. I think I could be getting some more rotation out of the brakes. For sure. Holy understeer. Just waiting on the car to turn. I just don't know if we should be pitting for dries or wets. It's definitely too wet right now, but when we get 10 minutes more down the road, the sun's out, the dry line has to be developing. I mean, this could cause a multiple position loss if I don't get this pit right. And I have no idea how to pick any kind of strategy. Because I have never been here before, but we'll see how it goes. Somebody's asking the question. Holy. It is crazy how realistic this game is. You could just feel, I felt the dry line and how much more grip I had versus I touched the wet line was just gone. That's what makes me nervous about slicks. Oh my. That's sick. Had to leave him space there and got drilled because of it. It's definitely too wet for slicks in my opinion, at least for my driving skill. Big time dry line here now. The dry line's almost more slippery now, it seems like. It's so odd. It's like half dry, half wet. And I'm going deep. If I could get this turn right, I feel like I'm losing so much time through here. May have, this guy might send it here. Pull off the tires. Oh, a big bump back there behind me. Oh, holy crap. I don't know if my tire life is starting to go down, but I feel like it's getting more slippery. I'm just too scared to go into slicks right now. I think this guy may be having the same problem as I am. This has been so intense. This is why sim racing is so good. Woo! Should have stayed on the brakes just a bit longer. A lot of sliding right there. Oh, a lot of sliding. Alright, come on, buddy. I really don't know what to do here. I don't know if I'd have more grip. My tires are hot. I need to get back into the rain. I think we're borderline on slicks. A little shifting into first there. I think we're gonna do it. This turn's wet though. Oh, this is such a big decision. Now a dry session. Alright, we're going for dry. Holy. Alright, this is a big play. I've never had a strategy like this, but this is so sick, and this is why iRacing is the best. Obviously, I have no idea if it works like this in other sim racing games, but... Oh! Been sweating. Gotta be careful here in the pits. I don't know if this is the guy that was actually ahead of me. And I just caught up to him, or what? I do gotta be careful here. This is wet on this side. Very cold tires here. Just gotta be careful. Take it super easy. Maybe taking it too easy, but honestly, I'm okay with that instead of wrecking. Oh. Ah, I couldn't turn. I couldn't turn. No. No. What a race, and it's gonna end like this. That sucks so bad. Oh, I can't turn right. Oh, man. It's over for us. What a just disaster. I don't know if I can even get this back to the pits. What just disaster strikes 30 minutes into the race. Oh my gosh. Said I was going to take it easy. I had grip and I was just turning and then I had no grip and then it was just gone. We will be losing all of our positions. Holy crap. I'm trying to pit. I'm trying to pit. I'm trying to pit. This is super wet in here still. Oh my gosh. What just... Oh, it was such a good race. It was such a good race. 3 minutes of repairs. And we're gonna lose it all. Oh, man. Let's see what happened here. Just absolute disaster. Did I just touch the wet line? I believe that's what happened. I would love for this to get out of the way. Thank you. Yep, I just got into the wet. Just touch the... That's good to know. Like I said, I had no idea how this was going to be. And you just gotta... Oh... You get to see me. I was turning, and then it just went straight. Just a little bit too much speed. Should have stayed on the brakes. And that's how you learn from your mistakes. If you have a dry line, you gotta make sure you stay in the dry line or you're going to wreck. And yeah, we learned right there. We went from second place to pretty much dead last. Man, this was such a fun race. I did not expect it to be this fun being in the rain. Now we sit here and watch the repair time go down. Still positive I rating. Hopefully, hopefully we still gain I rating from this. I would expect us to. Car seems to be, the steering wheel seems to be straight, so that's good. I do believe we may be dead last in our class now, though. And definitely still have a little bit of a play in our wheel, though. Our tires are not warmed up, so gotta keep that in mind. They're even colder than they were when we first put them on. So, sorry to this guy. Please go around me. Let's try not to do what we did the last time. Might have a much wider dry line this time. Oh my goodness. Qualified in second. Apparently we're still where we're expected to be. Which is, sad. But it's okay. Holy, much more stopping power now. If we can go over this curb yet. Oh, hitting a little bit of wetness, lost a little bit of traction there. That is so cool how there's two different dry lines there. Here's the guy that just passed us. Gonna turn down traction control a bit. We're sadly down in I rating now. Not that big of a deal. Apparently we just went up in I rating. I just went from -5 to up 5. I don't necessarily know how that works. Maybe that's how many times you get lapped by lap traffic. I have zero clue. Man, we were racing good. It's all good. Time to focus up. Just finish this race. Gotta quit thinking about what happened before and focus on what's happening now. I don't know. I didn't even hit that guy. I don't really know what happened right there. Not much grip going on in there. There's no way. Oh my gosh. I really thought he was just going to pull straight onto the track. This guy in front of us is driving like a maniac. He's not a good driver at all. I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go through. I mean, I can't catch up to him. There is a guy ahead of us by 5 seconds. I'm gonna need some help. A lot of wrecks happening here. Holy mess. Woo. Good job staying patient for me there. Typically struggle with patience there. I don't really know what's happening with the Race Labs leaderboard here. I have the guys in 7th and 8th ahead of me, who I'm lapped by, but the guy behind me in 3rd is somehow 5 seconds behind me. I don't know how that works. Unless I'm just in an... I don't know. I don't know what that is. I think the leaderboards are messed up, is what I'm going to say. Like I said, I haven't practiced any dry laps. I wonder if there's an option in the weather settings. There probably is to practice wet line racing, or dry line racing, I guess. It should be kind of cool. That is a possibility, if you could just, like, set the settings to set the racing line dry. I don't know if that's possible. Hopefully those guys just crashed out for my sake, but... Is this that same guy? Oh, yes. He just tried to block me off here. He was a terrible racer. If you see this race, you suck. But I'll probably see you again, so don't ram me next time we see each other. Now I'm down 24. I don't know if I'm just like slowly updating and going down or what. Here comes this guy again. Holy crap, those cars are so fast. Buddy, faster car coming up quick. That guy was already past me. Definitely could get more rotation out of the brakes there. I mean, why is it saying that this guy behind me in a different class is in my class? This guy is just a miserable racer in that red car. He's gonna back out of this. It's not worth it. Holy crap, dude. This race has not... Besides our pit stop, this has just been insane. I don't even know if I've been speaking in full sentences because of how just focused I am. I don't want to deal with this guy again. Here he comes again. Same guy. I would not expect or be surprised if he just wrecked me for no reason. This has been so intense, but so fun. Might be having to do this race again just for the heck of it. I'm in the wet here. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Oh, he's just full sending it. That's terrible. May have been on me. He was definitely laps in front of me, but I mean... Oh my gosh, I hit the wet. As I say he was terrible, I do that. It's crazy what happens when you hit the wet patches on these tires. I mean, you just have nothing. The tires are just skates. I've somehow am back into 14th. It said I was in 13th earlier. I don't really know how that works. Man, I wish I wouldn't have had that mistake. It was such a good race. And we had the undercut on the guy behind us. No reason to really push here. IMSA does not disappoint. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Not enough brakes there. Oh, what a race. Holy crap. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. This was a unbelievable race. If you made it to the end, comment your dream car. Actually, comment your most realistic dream car. Like, if you could buy one right now, maybe not like an Aventador or something outrageous. If you are making that kind of money, congrats. But let's make sure I slow down in the dry and not the wet. But apparently we just moved down to 19th and lost 74 I rating. I don't really know where we're at. But all I know is that was a great time. Unfortunate. Maybe I just came in. I have no idea. Like 4 laps down. Who knows what place I came in. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.